Hello everybody, I'm Justin Davies and I'm a children's author. Back in January, I was so thrilled to come down to Shropshire to take part in the Shropshire Bookfest Readers to Writers programme. I travelled all over the place, I went to some brilliant schools and met some amazing story writers. I'm so excited because I've been asked to read out one of this year's winning stories. Wow! I'm going to be reading a story from year one, and it's by Rory Richard Smith. Rory goes to St Lawrence Primary in Church Stretton. Now, Rory's also done some brilliant drawings to go with the story, so I'm going to share those with you as well. Are you ready, everyone? Are you ready, Rory? Here's your big moment. It is The Giraffe Who Swallowed a Boy by Rory Richards Smith. Once upon a time in Africa, it was hot and very dusty. There was a beautiful, spotty giraffe. Her name was Tawley. She loved munching leaves. She found some leaves in a tree. A boy came along. He was called David. He said, "Hello, giraffe." Then the boy looked at the giraffe's spots and hugged the giraffe. Just then, the giraffe licked the boy. Suddenly, the giraffe accidentally ate the boy. The giraffe felt very sad that she had eaten the boy. She felt very miserable. The other giraffes were very surprised, and they were very horrified. "What am I going to do?" said Tawley the giraffe. She was very frightened. Tawley was going to have a baby. Suddenly, the baby popped out, and the boy popped out with it, with spots. They were both friends again, and they lived happily ever after. The end. Wow, wasn't that a brilliant story? Well done, Rory. I loved it. It was so exciting. I had no idea what was going to happen until right at the very end. And I really felt that I was in Africa with the heat and the dust. And I've never met a giraffe, but if I did meet one, I think I'd like to meet one like Tawley. As long as she promised not to eat me. Anyway, I've had so much fun reading out this story, and I had so much fun taking part in this whole Readers to Writers programme. The best thing about this is that you've all had a chance to write some brilliant stories, and I know you're all going to carry on doing that. So carry on writing, carry on reading, and hopefully I'll meet you all again very soon. Bye-bye.